going on, YouTubers? Guddang775, just a mob boy in Texas, back with another video. Today I'm doing a review on the Trelab Z2 Wireless over-the-ear headphones, and I can tell you what, it's been a treat. Okay, it's been a real treat listening to these headphones for the past week. Okay, I probably spent about a good 15, maybe close to 20 hours with these headphones, okay, over the past week. I'm listening about 2 to 3 hours a day. Okay, the first couple days I listened to it on, you know, like low volume, kind of break it in a little bit. But then on that third day, the sound quality was just so good, it pulled me in. I just cranked it up all the way, and I've been listening to almost pretty much full blast ever since. Okay, and these Trelab Z2s are worth that $70, actually even $80 price now. These things are going for like $79 now on Amazon, deservedly so, by the way. Tell you right off the bat, I think it is worth $80. It's worth $70, and if you can get it below $70, that's even better. Okay, but Bluetooth 4.2 technology. Okay, so like I said in my past video when I did unboxing, you can go a little bit further than the standard 30 feet, like right around 35 feet. That's when this thing starts cutting out just a little. Now again, that's line of sight. Now you start going, you know, like going to my daughter's room, 25 feet down the hallway, and I turn to my daughter's room. It doesn't chop a lot. It chops very little. Okay, like I tried. I left my phone out here in the living room, way in the living room. Went into my daughter's room. Now, when I got up and moved around in my daughter's room, this thing would chop just a little bit. But keep in mind, that's like close to 30 feet already. So it's not too bad. The range on this thing is fairly good. Okay, line of sight view, line of sight. So it's better than most standard wireless over-the-ear headphones already. And then the sound quality, it's magic. Okay, the mids and highs are crystal clear. Okay, for the most part they're balanced. And the bass, this thing's got deep, hard-hitting bass for the most part. And the volume, it gets fairly loud. Okay, I love my headphones really loud. That's why I'm going deaf. I'll probably be deaf by 45. Another 6-7 years from now, I'll be deaf. So, but I'm enjoying it right now because these headphones are fantastic for the money. And I've used, what you call that, I've charged this once out of the box, okay, to get it fully charged. And for the past week, I haven't stuck it back on the charger yet. Now, they're boasting 35-hour battery life. Well, I've listened to this almost 20 hours already without putting it on the charger. So it's pretty damn close, or it's good enough for me. Okay, I don't know, there's other YouTubers out there that probably test this thing to the limit. I don't have the time, but as of right now, I haven't stuck it back on the charger for over a week. So battery life is good there for me. And like on long commutes or airplane trips, these are fantastic, especially with the active noise cancellation. Now, when you turn on the active noise cancellation, you just flip a button right there. You see that red light? It'll be blinking on. It's on. That lets you know that active noise cancellation is on. And it provides a different sound profile than when these are off. Now, even with these off, the noise cancellation features, or noise isolation I should say, it's still pretty good without this thing on. Well, that's because I listen to my music really loud, but when you turn this thing, the noise cancellation on, I can't even hear the voices out of my own mouth when I got this thing on. It's pretty damn good, and I would reckon it would do really good in an airplane ride, bus, commute, train, whatever. Even if you like, you know, you like taking long drives like I do. I love to just get up and get in my car and just drive for hours on end. Road trips, these would be fantastic if you're by yourself. Now, if with your family, it can be good, you know, if you get annoyed by your family a lot, but not so much for me because I do have to listen to my wife or get a slap. But now I'll give you a quick listen real quick to the sound quality real quick, and I'm gonna turn the volume up on. It's pretty good, right? I know, it's pretty good. I'm very impressed, okay, with the sound quality of the Z2s. Now, how does this compare to my other heavy hitter headphones? Well, let me give you a little quick refresher. Okay, I just picked 4 random, or actually 4 of my best. Okay, my best wireless over-the-ear headphones. First off, my best is the Bluetooth U 8 PPS speaker driver, whatever. The Bluetooth U's are my best, my favorites. But overall, out of all my wireless over-the-ear headphones, and these are fantastic. Decent noise cancellation, even though it's not advertised. Let me see, and it's 3D sound, goes well with watching, you know, watching movies and stuff on your TV and whatnot. It's fantastic for that. And listening to music, of course. Bluetooth Faith 2s. Now this comes closest to the Trelab Z2s because the active noise cancellation on these Bluetooth F2s, they come really close. Actually, they're a tie in my opinion. Both sound really good, sound fantastic. Sound quality, they're pretty much dead even with, I think the Z2s might have the slight volume advantage, but pretty much when it comes to sound quality, these pretty much are the same in my opinion, where except when the volume comes in, where the Z2s can get a little bit louder. It could be wrong. I mean, it's a toss-up, okay? It's a toss-up. But I think the Z2s are a little bit louder. Just a tad. That could be me, or I could be something wrong with my now, ears. To round out the other 2, I have my Sony Xbr 950 BTs and my Sennheiser wireless Urbanite XLs. Okay, these 2 are also very, very good. With this is the bass king out of all of them. Okay, out of all my headphones, bass number 1. Especially when you click on the bass boost on this thing, I think the bass boost, with the bass boost, it can be too much bass unless you got an equalizer to help, you know, clean that bass up a little bit. But yeah, bass boost on the Sony Xbr 950 BTs is the king. But when it comes to sound quality and all over, what do you call that, noise cancellation, whatever, and whatnot, these things take the cake. And then the Sennheiser wireless Urbanite XLs. Okay, these are good for what they are, but when I first bought them, they were well over $200, and in my opinion, totally not worth the price. These are so much better value than when I first bought these. But then again, you know, I got these like back in late 2015, early 2016. So, and they were kind of new. So yeah, these things were going for $300. Okay, but nowadays, 2018, you can get the sound quality, the audio quality, the volume, the bass, the mids and highs of a $300+ headphones for like $70, $60, $70. It's just, technology is growing at such an amazing rate, and it's fantastic. So how do these hold up against the Z2s? This is number 2. It's slightly overtaken my Bluetooth F2s. It's right next to my Bluetooth U's. I can't believe it. It's like right next to it. So again, sound is subjective. Everyone will have their preference, but these are my number 2 go-to headphones, right next to my favorite, the Bluetooth U's. Okay, and you know, compare it to something like the Bose QC35. You know, it's a $350 pair of headphones. These come damn close. Damn close in my opinion. Now, I've listened to the Bose QC35s a lot in Best Buy. I've listened to them. My friend down the road has a pair of those, and they're expensive. Now, he's not regretting he bought it, because when I let him listen to this, he kind of like, $70, like, oh man, I could have saved money, but he doesn't regret that purchase, because that was the money he used, money he earned to spend on what he really wanted. But before you spend that money, do some research, okay? Do some research. You know, there was a bunch of headphone videos out there back in the day, and it's not that I regret purchasing these wireless Urbanite XLs. I just wish I got them at a much cheaper price than I paid. That's it. Oh, I guess that is regret, so. But we do what we can. I mean, but yeah, these Trelab Z2s are totally worth the money. And compared to my headphones, okay, it's one of the best. And right now they're going for around $80 bucks. It's worth that price. $70, even better. And if you can get it below 70, like 60 or below, it's a steal. It's just my opinion. But yeah, it's Guddang 775. I hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. This Guddang 775, just a mile boy in Texas. Peace out.